Welcome. In front of me I have Nokia 260, and today I will show you how we can make soft reset of this device. So what we have to do, grab our phone like that, remove that back cover. So you have to put your fingernail in this place. Take it off gently. And right now put your finger here and remove the battery. Right now we have to wait a couple of seconds. And we can put the battery back. So put it like that. With the Nokia logo on the battery on the left side. Put it here. Put back the back cover. And then you have to turn on your phone by holding this right button. And as you can see right now, our device is activated. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.